This is Richard back at you. Got a little action going on today. Very busy here at the shop. Got a little El Camino here. Got a little stroker motor in it, I believe. Said they were doing a burnout at the track and something let go. We're not for sure what let go. Oh! That don't look normal. Oh! That don't look normal. I think something let go. I think we got some drive shaft angle issues possibly. But we're gonna get this thing out. Get a new tranny back in here real quick. Get a drive shaft angle, get over on another lift over on our drive on over there and look at some angles here and see what we got going on. So, Trent, what are you doing this morning?
I'm working.
You're working?
Yes, sir.
Got a beautiful little square body Ford in here, guys. They lucked across this thing. It's a gas. Seven something. Whatever.
7.5 gas.
7.5.
Yep.
Got a 4R100 in it. Or excuse me, E40D. Excuse me, got a little early on this one.
Going old school.
Yep. Hasn't been touched. No. Literally hasn't been touched, has it, Trent?
Nope. Everything.
So, got a bunch of more shows to come. Got about 10 Dodges out in the parking lot, so y'all stay tuned. Have a great day. Well, got her out.
He's
The
cheating.
converter stayed in. We didn't have to. There you go. Hey, I could almost put an ultra bell on this now.
Man, I'm telling you. Wow. Hey, yeah, I almost broke it off perfect. Just a little bit of grinding and it'd be good to go.
Got dowel pins in the block. All the bolts are in it.
Wow.
We got some major drive shaft issue. I don't know if I did this training before or not. I'd have to talk to him because I usually do all of his training work. But we didn't put the tranny in and set it up, so.
Nope.
We'll get this thing apart, recase it, so what we got going. We're actually going to be putting a TCI nice drum in there, put the 5 clutch piston in it, stuff like that too. So it'll be a nice unit when we get done. Trent called me and said that he had a surprise for me on this Ford here. Got a surprise for me, son?
I think they drove one past into the ground, 6 feet under.
Ooh.
Where we had some failure of something.
Wow.
Checking the cooler lines on this one.
Yeah, we're definitely. It's got that sock filter or anything like that. This is all square body styles, so.
No, they took it out.
See the connector up there. A lot of times the wires get burnt, melted and all that stuff at the connector. We need to look at that. But that thing is full of stuff.
Smoked.
Stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be a good one.